Today on Amazon Garage, we're gonna go from this to this. Ugh, that's where the smell's coming from. So let's get started. So the car we're working on today is my 2019 ZL11LE, but this process will work for any 6th generation Camaro starting from 2016 until 2024, and honestly probably applies to most two-door General Motors performance vehicles. So to get to the filter, we must first take all of this out. So the first step is to take this tension line off. You just kind of squeeze it with both fingers, pull it to the side, and let it back up in there. Now, just with our hands, we're gonna pull this over to the side and squeeze in. Woo, she's a little tough. There's one side. All right, so I'm gonna use a trick. I'm gonna use a big screwdriver and I'm gonna wrap it in a cloth here. Use that for leverage. All right, now we gotta get to the filter. Okay, so up here, you can see the door. This is the door that covers the filter. So just gotta pull that guy off. Ooh, there's the old one. How can we get it out? So this thing is from 2019 and it has not been replaced. So let's get the new one stuck in. So now we're gonna take our new filter and we're just gonna reinstall it the other way, or the same way that the old one came out. Notice it says specifically airflow down. That's gotta go towards the bottom of the car. Cool thing is putting the glove box back up is a whole lot easier. Done. So if you're anything like me, you'll hastily put the glove box door back up without putting the tensioner back on, so you have to then take it back off. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull the tensioner out here where I can get to it, and then just lift the door up and slide it back in. There we go. Now it's installed correctly. Well guys, that's about all there is to it. So if you notice your car starts to smell kind of moldy, kind of like, I don't know, like rotten feet, but you know you take good care of your car, very well could be your cabin air filter. Till next time.